There is a mobility expert, Dave Do. Guys, do you remember this Matatu? That is the Matatu I visited at the fabrication place when it was being built from ground up. Today I'm back in CBD, that is the Central Business District of Nairobi, and I'm about to board this Matatu to Embakasi. So today I am going to show you the interior of this Matatu, because last time I wasn't able to show you the interior of the Matatu because it was being built.
Before I proceed to show you the spectacular interior of this bus, let's have a quick recap of when I first visited the assembly plant. The bus is built from scratch on the chassis, and the owners usually spend $75,000 to complete this. This is a multi-billion industry where some individuals own more than 5 of these Matatus at a time.
I'm with these two gentlemen over here. Who are you?
I'm the driver of the bus.
You are the driver of the bus? Yeah. Sorry. And you? Who are you?
I'm the main conductor of this Matatu.
You are the main conductor of this Matatu.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the name of this Matatu?
Aftermath.
Aftermath.
Yeah.
Is there any reason why you named it Aftermath?
Yeah, because of the legend who have been drawn on the vehicles. Yeah.
Oh, okay. How long have you been driving this Matatu?
For the past 3 months.
For the past 3 months.
Yeah. Everything is fine for the culture.
I actually love the Matatu culture. Okay, so I'll be entering very soon to see the interior. Hi.
Hello.
You know what? I've been talking to some of the passengers, and I realize sometimes the conductors, they treat them very bad. Is that true?
No, that's a lie.
You treat the passengers with dignity?
Yes, we treat them with good dignity and we give good customer service in this Manyanga. It's called Manyanga.
What is the name again?
Manyanga.
Manyanga.
Yes.
So you treat the passengers with dignity and a very good customer service.
Yes, we do treat them with good dignity and good customer service in this Manyanga.
But I realize the sound or the music is always loud. Is that something which is okay?
Okay. People with this Matatu got that vibe. People who enter this Matatu have that vibe of loud music. You know, they get to enjoy the loud music in this Matatu, and they play good quality music.
Quality music.
Yeah.
But hasn't it affected your ears?
No, it doesn't affect our ears.
Because you are always in this Matatu.
No, it doesn't affect our ears at all, because we rhyme with the music.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much. So I'm gonna board now.
You haven't seen anything yet. Wow, just look at the interior. That is splendid. I guess you never thought that is how the interior would look like.
You have to do it.
Over 24 screens fitted in this bus, some at the front, the top corners, behind every seat, anywhere you can think of. Loud music, Afrobeat, dancehall, R&B, gospel, you name them. And on top of this, there is free Wi-Fi. The bus is full, so we will move now. But do you know why it got full in no time? The youth really patronized this because of the entertainment system. So you see, that is a very smart marketing strategy. Of course, they pay more than the ordinary Matatu. These are other customized Matatu at the terminal waiting for passengers to board them. Many of these Matatus have very interesting and trendy names. Look at the Squid Game. El Padrino and Pretty. As you can see, the bus has moved. Unfortunately, these buses hardly respect the road regulations. They overspeed every time. Man, this is scary. If you know you can't stand this loud music, you better keep earmuffs in your bag and use them anytime you board this matatu. It is time for the conductor to collect the fares. And this gospel song comes in handy. I really needed it at this point. The journey has been scary.
Listen.
You could tell how relieved my friend was after getting off the matatu. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you.